Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is Roheen from ELICA SG campus. First of all, happy 14 August to all of you. My message is for everyone is that we should help others as they need us. For example, if someone has an accident, so we shouldn't make photos or videos of them because at this time they need our help because they need our help. So we should always help them as much as we can. The other thing is if someone who is very close to you is in depression, so we should help them and overcome their depression. Give them positive vibes. Don't spread negativity to anyone. Always spread positive vibes to everyone. Nowadays in Pakistan, there are many people who are becoming poor day by day. I think rich people are becoming rich day by day and poor people are becoming poorer day by day. So what can we do? We should always help others. We should always help them. Don't make fun of those people who are needy because we don't know that what kind of circumstances they are facing in their life. So as a good citizen, it's our duty to help others as much as we can. Thank you very much.